Hey everyone, Chetna here from Me with a Pencil and welcome to our channel. So today I'm going to be sharing how to write Happy Valentine's Day in 12 different ways in calligraphy. So I'm going to be using a brush pen. I'm going to be using Pentel Touch brush pen, or you can also use Tombow Fluid brush pen, this one, and the practice sheet. So this time I've made a proper practice sheet for you to practice and have some fun together while you're creating something. You can practice this on these sheets. So this is available to purchase on my Etsy shop. So the link is in the description. You can check that out and come back to this tutorial and practice along with me. You can, all the details of how to use this and everything is given in the sheets. So here I have written different ways, and you also have a space to trace it and also lines where you can practice on your own. So it's like a 14-page PDF, downloadable PDF that you can print and practice at your own space at your home. If you have practiced and come here for the tutorial, thank you so much for purchasing and supporting our small business. So let's get started. I'm going to be using Pentel Touch brush pen. You can use any other brush pen, or you can also use a pointed pen which has the nib and the holder. If you're comfortable using, you can use that too for these sheets for practice. So let's get started. So let's start with the first one. So here is the first style. First style is more of separate monoline letters that we are going to write. So let's say, without putting any pressure on the pen, I'm going to just write it down. Okay, it's a very simple and easy way. You can trace these letters. So it's very simple. You have to lift your hand at every stroke. So we are just applying, we are not applying any kind of pressure. We're just applying some rules of calligraphy, where you have to put oval over here and just a straight line to create a letter A. Very simple letter forms. Anyone can practice this. Let's move on to the second one. So this is also monoline without any thick and thin lines. So we're gonna do this nice, beautiful, fancy H. It looks so pretty, and some different styles of P as well over here. So by doing this or practicing on these worksheets, you will understand how also you can write letters in different ways. So no pressure on the pen. You can also do this exercise, or this style of letter with a normal marker. You don't need a brush pen for this style, but you really need to lift your pen and go slowly with every stroke. Lift your pen at every stroke, and look at this V. It's so beautiful. Let's go and make a nice roundish curve here at the top, and this A is like this. Is inspired from the Spencerian style of A, and then you go all the way up. So here the letters are not slanted, they are like straight. So make sure when you're writing any kind of letters together, keep them all in similar angles, so it looks well balanced. So yeah, this is the second way of writing. Looks really pretty, right? This is another way of writing where I'm using like the brush calligraphy letters written with the brush pen, but here again the letters are straight and they're not slant. So we're gonna do this beautiful letter H over here. This is entry, and let's put pressure all the way up. Completed. Oval. Go slowly on each letter. If you are new to my channel, you can also check out my some basic tutorials on brush calligraphy, so you get an idea to how to get these thick and thin lines and how to write letters in with the brush pen, how to use the brush pen. And a nice wavy crossbar on the T, and yeah, look at this D, how beautiful it looks with the thick and thin lines. So that's the third one, very simple and elegant. And at the end of the session I'm gonna also show you how we can lay out this letter into like one single piece, so it looks like an artwork together. So I also have some of the examples in the booklet itself, in the practice sheet, something similar, that how you can use different styles and create one bunch of quote or a letter together. It can be very useful if you're making a card, or writing a note, or making something special for your loved one. So yeah, so similar kind of thing. We'll also see how we can do that and at the end of the tutorial. So here's the fourth one. It's all slanted in one direction, and they're like flowing in one direction, and they look very nice when all the letters are at the similar slant angle. So here I'm using another color, blue color. So yeah, let's start. All small letter, looks fun to write. Don't forget to pick up your pen after every single stroke. You can also change the styles of the P's. So you can put a dot on top of this T crossbar, looks very nice. And that's it. So it looks very nice, simple yet elegant, very pretty. Wanted the fifth one, so I'm using again another color. This is my favorite one, turquoise green. Very pretty colors they have in Pentel brush pens. So it's like a straight letters, but they are not connecting to each other. This different ways of writing helps you to explore your letters in different ways, how you can play around with the letter forms and get creative with it. Very simple, very different letters with the thick and thin stroke, but not connecting them. I'm trying to keep my letters similar so that they look like one family. So it's very simple, anyone can write this one. This one's like very simple. Straight line, curved line, again a straight line, and then E, apostrophe S. Lovely. Very pretty and elegant D. You can see over here. So let's move to sixth one. So this one is slanted in a brush calligraphy style, but not different styles of letter we can see. The straight and the slant variation also gives lot of different look to the letters. We are done with the 5th and the 6th. So these were the 6 different ways of writing Happy Valentine's Day out of 12. So this was the part 1 video, and you can find the rest of the 6 in the part 2 of this video. So I hope you loved this tutorial, and if you like it, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and let us know in the comments how helpful it was. And thank you for watching.